my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to fix the most amazing, yes, amazing baked chicken legs. These is just not your normal baked chicken legs. These are amazing baked chicken legs, okay? So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. Okay, so we're going to start off with our seasonings first. I have my seasons lined up here, but like I stated before, it is a lot of seasonings, so I will put them down below in the description box. So first off, I do have my chicken here that's sitting over there, which we'll get to that later. I have 1 teaspoon of onion powder. Just get a spoon here to get it out. So 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika. I don't know why my seasons want to stick to my container. A half a teaspoon of dried oregano. A half a teaspoon of dried basil. A half a teaspoon of dried thyme. 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper. Had to think about it for a minute. And 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. So you're just gonna give these a little stir. This is your seasoning for this amazing chicken. Okay, so I have my chicken here, which I have already washed and cleaned really well. So I'm going to just take my seasoning mix and I'm just going to sprinkle it all over my chicken. You want to cover your chicken really good with your seasoning mix. Okay. Next, you want to season with salt and pepper to taste. So I have kosher salt here. I'm just going to season my chicken with kosher salt. Not too much, just a little bit. And black pepper as well. Okay, moving on to the next step. Next, I have a pan here. I did line it with aluminum foil, and I also sprayed it with cooking spray. So I'm just gonna take our chicken and we're gonna lay it on here really nice. And I'm gonna do it this way. That way I can get all of my chicken in there. And one more piece here. Let's see. Get it right here. Now that we have seasoned our chicken, buttered our chicken, we are going to place it in the oven on 400 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. Okay. Our chicken is done. I cooked mine for 40 minutes. I did because I told you previous, do it for 30 to 35 minutes. But I had a couple of big pieces in here that needed a little bit more heat to it. So I did 40 minutes. So I did an additional 5 minutes on my chicken. So I'm just going to check the temperature here on some of them. $200. So you know that's well done. Check the temperature on this one. $189, so that's done. $190, that's done. And check one more big piece. I got a big boy here. $201, so that is well done. Sitting in this butter sauce down here, so chicken is not dry. Before you get ready to serve your chicken, you can baste it with the butter sauce if you want to, just to give it extra more juice. Other than that, that's it. Very simple, very quick, and easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of my amazing baked chicken legs. It was super easy, a lot of ingredients, so I will post them down below in the description box for you guys. And comment below and tell me what you think about this video. Also comment below and give me some recipe ideas, because I'm kind of running out of ideas here. So if you haven't subscribed, go and subscribe. Make sure your bell is on so that you will not miss an upload. Okay, so until the next time, into the next video, I love you guys and thanks for watching. Bye.